a fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say them a spite me. I can feel it. Chewy and them nah link, and Chewy and them nah drink. Them want to see us shrinking. Them nah go see it. Oh no. Sabotage, them a sabotage. Why them have to make it look so hard? I don't know. Just doing a come at them yard. We make them push us around like fraud. Them a draw bad card. Just to how we get the applause. Them a fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say them a spite me. Yeah. I can feel it. Chewy and them nah link, and Chewy and them nah drink. Them want to see us shrinking. Them nah go see it. Oh, go I not carry no hate. You know I really got to get things straight. Them not clean now. Missy said them not clean. No, me say back out with your carnal mind. Move back with your heart full of fever. I done for a reason. Me say go down. Who I wish bad for right. Move down. You can't stop Rasta people now. I done for a reason. Hey, they ma fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say they must spite me. I can feel it. Chewy and them nah link, and Chewy and them nah drink. Them want to see us shrinking. Them nah go see it. Oh no. Nothing where them try it just nah work. No powers higher than Rastafari, not above, not below, neither on this earth. Them trying to make it difficult for I. Little did they know Rastafari will carry I through. Yeah. For the darkest part of the night, yeah. It's just when King Rastafari gonna shine his light, yeah. Them a fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say them a spite me. I can feel it. Chewy and them nah link, and Chewy and them nah drink. Need more love, y'all. Roots and culture. Give me the roots and culture. Roots and culture. No man, all of the roots and culture. Said I'm part of a story of a race from the African lands. Then we fought for our freedom, but now we fight against our brother man. Yes, we seem to be losing all the love that we used to know. Well, have we lost our culture? Because it doesn't really seem to show. I said it's time for some cultural love. And yes, my love in me African blood. And every youth to every man should know how his roots and his origin go. Give me the roots and culture. Roots and culture. No man, all of me roots and culture. Roots and culture. Hey, anytime I think about Marcus Messiah Garvey, he often reminds me of where I'm coming from. And anytime I hear the Honorable Bob Marley, yes, his words and his wiseness keeps me going on. So from the bottom of my heart and soul, I say I'm proud of my African blood. And every youth to every man should know how his roots and his origin go. Give me the roots and culture. Roots and culture. No man, I left my roots and culture. I say, oh, now. your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Oh yeah. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Said it's time to unite. It's time to live upright. It's time to unite. It's time to live upright. Ooh, ooh, look at it. A chain is as strong as its weakest link. Oh yeah, yeah. Each one's his brother's keeper. Listen up, listen up. Unity is the foundation of survival. Had to let your love come shining through. See, stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Look at it. Why lose your soul because of folly? Leaving behind your woman and babies. Allowing them to face the judgment of the world. Men, women, boys and girls. Yeah, hey. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Yeah. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Whoa, 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 ooh, ooh, women and babies, allowing them to face the judgment of the world. Men, women, boys and girls. Praises to the Most High. Blessed Rastafari. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Say I love Selassie. I love Jah Rastafari. Emperor Selassie is his name. Why? Say I love Selassie, I love Jah Rastafari. I sing it and I sing it all again. Why? Remember that we all just choose a slavery. And why we are here is because of our bravery. With the strength of some outside that dwell in I and I. And you know say I have faith, just not tell no lie. Looking at me eyes, I love Selassie, I love Jah Rastafari. Emperor Selassie is his name. Why? I love Selassie, I love Jah Rastafari. I sing it and I sing it all again. Yo, Jaja, me need true love, inna me heart and me soul and me mind. Me need true love, I know evil me want me find. Me need true love, inna me heart and me soul and me mind. Jaja bless me, please guide and protect me. Oh Jah, on the evil, on the wicked system, protect me family, me brethren and sisters.
fight another murdered victim. The bad mind, the pagans, no want fi did them mixing. And the dirty evil, me no want fi the inner. I you alone, just say me want be me leader, yeah. Keep bad mind away. Me need true love, true love. Inna me heart and me soul and me mind. Me need true love, true love. I know even me want fi find. Me need true love, true love. Inna me heart and me soul and me mind. Jaja bless me. Please guide and protect. Send me tired of the bad mind and envy. Want me belly empty. The evil thought, the evil heart, them got it plenty. Every time you hear me call your name, I become me a see a next one feel the pain. Be a better me for me son and daughter. So me want me pity them have a really good father. Only one way you could be so in a job. Me need true love, true love. Inna me heart and me soul and me mind. Me need true love, true love.
Let us strive for perfection and drive in one direction. We'll arrive at a blessed destination. Let us strive for perfection and drive in that direction. We'll arrive at a blessed destination. The ultimate purpose of man is to unite in diverse world, to organize and centralize. The whole interim will fulfill just plan. So let us strive for perfection and drive in one direction. We'll arrive at our blessed destination. When we strive for perfection and drive in that direction, we'll arrive at our blessed destination. And if the fortunate could have those who are down to live and help those who are around, then what a world this world would be. When we live in a righteousness and unity. Oh, and let us strive for perfection and drive in that direction. We'll arrive at our blessed destination. Oh, yeah.
Let her die. Every morning I wake, only one song I sing. Give praises to the King. He opens the doors and He shows me the way. His blessings flow within. His mercies I feel everlasting grace. Put a smile upon my face. Don't care what the wicked might do or say. Can lead I and I astray. Jah is my everything. Oh, what a joy He brings. And that's why I sing praises to the King. Yeah. Let her die. Let her die. Oh, yeah. Let her die. Let her die. Every morning I wake, only one song I sing. Give praises to the King. He opens the doors and He shows me the way. His blessings flow within. Oh, Jah is everywhere. And I know He cares. So I'll have no fear. To His name I swear. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Joy, you're bringing to me.
Jah bringing to me. And a joy, 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 you're bringing to me. Jah bringing to me. In thee, oh Lord, do I put my trust? No one could ever compare now. I'll shout your name all over again, so everyone can hear. Jah is my everything. Oh, what a joy he brings. Oh, that's why I sing. Praises to the King. Oh, yeah. Sing it down, down. Sing it down, down. Sing it down, down, yeah. And a joy, 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 you're bringing to me. You're bringing to me. Sing down, down. And a joy, 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 oh joy, you're bringing to me. Yeah. You're bringing to me. Bring it to me, yes. Every morning I wake, only one song I sing, praises to the King. Every morning,
I could I pretend no one wants to live a life of poverty, but I could not sell out for a belly full and forget my dignity. I'd rather live a humble life and be free than make a bag of money and make a fool of me. Having the eye for standing, there's no action without reaction. And if you plant the seed of faith, you're gonna reap the fruit of destruction. Me now walk on the road where they walk on. Too much tricks and traps out here. Cut a new road, me have to make a new avenue where I can see Rasta works more clear. I'd rather live a humble life and be free than make a bag of money and make a fool of me. Life is hard. Coffee in your basket the way you can reach. Give it time. Keep on climbing to the blue. And just remember Rastafari in everything where you are do. And your traffic control. I saw we shot it dying in a this trouble bum in a bit of them a do. That's the reason. It is good to be good, don't you know? Don't you let them mislead you. Say, I'd rather live a humble life and be free, than make a bag of money and make a fool of me. I'd rather live a humble life and be free.
That joy in my soul. I feel that joy within my soul. Soul, a burning flame without control. Whoa, I feel that joy within my soul. Whoa, one which Pope Paul can control. Oh, King Jacob sit up on the throne of fire. Babylon soon of retire. Sit up on the throne of fire. Babylon, this is your Messiah. Open the door and let the Holy One of Israel in. How could Babylon do such a virtuous thing? I feel that joy within my soul. Soul, a burning flame without control. Oh, I feel that joy within my soul. Soul, one which Pope Paul can control. Babylon, open the door and let the Holy One of Israel in. Babylon, them open the door, so they crowning kings of live up, live up. Rise, Rasta, rise down in the struggle, we not give up. Live up, live up, live up. You want me reach to the mountain top, but I'm on give God no faith, Jah. Jah give me the strength and I give me the power. Chant on the rhythm every second of the hour. Then work is around we and then try to devour, but them can't hold the fire. Can't get we tired. Me have a message to deliver to the youth them. Touch with the big mark on his them on the footsteps. Sharp moon who can and always question the system. Come right now, man, I go about to not bad teaching. Live up, live up, live up. Rise, Rasta, rise in a the struggle, we not give up. Live up, live up, live up. Want to reach mountain top, Reggae road no page, Jah. Live up, live up, live up. Rise, Rasta, rise now, not the struggle, we not give up. Live up, live up, live up. You want to reach the mountain top, then I'm on the road no page, Jah. Fear of the Lord is a fountain of light to depart from the snares of evil. The tongue of the wise uses knowledge right before honor is humility. The fear of the Lord is a fountain of life to depart from the snares of evil. The tongue of the wise uses knowledge right before honor is humility. So the fear of the Lord at the beginning of wisdom, and the dust can come to the Father without to the Son. Power of the Trinity is Jah kingdom. But the Lord is my light, so one of my salvation. Judgment the way to Zion and the right direction. God is the every fulfilling and the conquering lion. Every tongue of a go tell and every knee of a bow down. Rasta beat the cat, they jump and I make the Eden all around. Warriors kill the beast with word powers and sound. And I make way to the east where the true king is crowned. But the wicked I could have never bow down. But the wicked I would have never bow down. Live up, live up, live up. Rise, Rasta, rise in a the struggle, we not give up. Live up, live up, live up. Reach mountain top, Reggae road, no patient. Live up, live up, live up. Rise, Rasta, rise down in the struggle, we not give up. Live up, live up, live up. You want to reach to the mountain top, but I'm on give up, no patient. Live up, live up, live up.
Black side. Oh, yeah. I got my fun sitting, whoa, yeah. I got my fun sitting, whoa, yeah. I'm Tarrus, I'm if you tell ya. Living the life as a con. Man, me strike fear in your heart. All sort of people I walk with me and afraid to pop me up when me say blow. See there, everything dead off in a second. Look how much trouble I've caused. Me black and me chrome, and you can find me on your block or inside your womb. My name is Black, my bar with a crew when name shots. And when we start clap, every passage get flat. You hear that? How where them make gun for? Me not see no good way it's a the round, yeah. I'm in name Tarrus, I'm if you tell you so. Guns was sudden with the buck and the pick and come. Where them make gun for? Some pick me up now and then. Some call me them best friend. Them walk with me and talk to me. Got them and them gonna par. Hey blow, see there, somebody left a ball in a second. Look how much sorrow I've caused. I'm used and abused. Them never left me out when them a go up and them move. Tonight them said them hungry, them a go eat someone food. I may give them the strength for them a go on so rude. How will them make gun for? Me no see no good way to do round, yeah. I mean name Tarrus, I'm if you tell you so. Gun was sudden, bull buck and up the conquer. Where them make gun for? I give you nothing but mischief. Hey, check your ballistic and statistics. Murder people and we don't leave no witness. You better make sure you're not up on the hit list. No, when Mr. Blow, Mama hold a belly and a ball. Blow, please, but it's not black and one more funeral. Boom, boom, hey, all Papa start weep. I had to somebody's wrap up in a white sheet. Ooh, living the life of a con. Man, I strike fear in your heart. All sort of people I walk with me and afraid to pop me up with this flow. See that? Everything dead up in a second. Look how much trouble I've caused. My black and my chrome. And you can find me and your black are inside your womb. My name is Black Mopper with a crew when I'm shots. But where the black gun from? Well, me no see no good where you got the ground, yeah. I'm in name Tarrus, I'm if I tell you so.
In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, and they'll do anything to fill that gap. Lord, in the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, where they'll do anything to fill that gap. As generation comes and grows, you got to make preparation while the youths them grow. It's what you reap, it's what you sow. The youths them are the light and the future, so when that's them, you know. If education is the key, now tell me why the big heads are make it so expensive for we. Give them the key or set them free. In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, where they do anything to fill that gap.
From day to day we live, searching for our identity, while the rich man says we are a menace to society, but they don't know what it's like, what it's really like, what it's really like to face real ghetto pain, to face real ghetto pressure, to face real ghetto pain, to face real ghetto pressure. On and on we go, for hate we try to uphold. Our brothers turn to crime, killing each other for a dime. While the oppressor says that turning to politics is the only way. We face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure, we face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure. One day the table will turn, and to all men out there, beware for all barriers will burn. On and on we go, our hits we try to uphold. Our brothers turn to crime, killing each other for a dime. While the oppressor says that turning to politics is the only way. We face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure, we face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure.
See I guide I and I. How the youths them so cold, ho. I play gangsta ho. Who know a bit under clo ho. Inna them and it and ho. Take what you say when you see them not have no love. Them youth are different. Tribal war them a deal with, extorting the people, that's how they live. And them not take no talk, everything them talk about you are freedom. Me I beg you hold your head straight, when you see them you no see them, because them Young vampires, no stop limp on the weak fence. Put up your guard, no left you defense. Ding 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 ding. Bang ding ding boy a ho, Ding 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 ding. Hey, how the youths them so cold, I feel gangsta roll.
Still rude. However, let's get him out. Can I tell you something? Wow! Very sad to think about, so sad to remember. No one should remind me of how they lost their December. Yesterday's gone on and on in a vision I picture. A song singing, listening to the voices in the wings. I hear them whisper, lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Firing in a gunman good. You be good, lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Firing with your lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Where does the future lie? What you get over give is so hard to live, but easy to die. Oh, Johnny, never listen when Mama did say, put up the white man AK. Now you're sorry, say you kill Sean down a bull bay. Turning the pop up from dust till dawn, till time and a quad like Storm a bay farm. You never have no need to pull the trigger. Oh, Johnny, make blood that run like dance river. Lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Buried in a gunman crew. Will give you lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Why with me get you to pick the picture? Lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Where does the future lie? What the garrison I give is so hard to live, but easy to die. If I, Young war, big war, trade war going on. Yes, trade war, young war going on. Yes, from we was youths growing up. Yeah, you see, we want a gun. They give us weapons of mass destruction. To be our toys. You see, now we grow to be a man. Yeah. We never understand what was the plan. Yeah. Now we come to see we fight against each other. Yeah. War, young war going on. Yeah. The young war going on. Yeah. We shooting down our brothers brutally in the street. Yeah. Don't know what that stands for. Give me yeah. Jungle and river, them have a war. Yeah. South side and west side have another war. Yeah. Dunkirk and Backbush, they have a war too. I don't know what they're fighting for. Yeah. You see? But a young war going on. Yes. Young war going on. Yes. Just the other day, they marching up the garden. War. Gunshot firing from everywhere. Yeah. People get trapped in buildings. We don't know It could baby hearing gunshot for it all night long. Seems like the Lord don't work anymore. Yeah. Young war going on. Yes, the young war going on. Yeah, young war going on. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mankind is a living God, though it's not right. Oh no, 'cause they're living like the hooligans in the Father's sight. Oh God, they're spending billions of dollars inventing their guns and bombs. Oh, but the victims and the targets are only the innocent ones. Yes, so much bloodshed in the earth. Mankind don't know what life's worth. Don't know. Dying in the streets, all human beings turn at me. Mankind sees from all your wars and shine. Oh yes, mankind please repent and let's unite. Oh, mankind sees from all your wars and shine. Oh God, I say please repent and let's unite. Oh, the Judge made us for a reason, to love one another through all seasons. To take another life, it is a treason. Judge, will take away your blessing. Oh, my people, listen. I say the wrath of God is risen. Before all mankind is risen, oh, to take heed and learn your lesson. I say cease from all your wars and strife. Oh God, I say please repent and let's unite. Mankind, oh mankind, oh mankind, can't you see it's about to be hot, 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 hot. Jamaica not
beware for the shot of them strap. Rasta man I tell the youths them fill out the Glock. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them no care. No, it's a shame to see brothers killing themselves, wasting energy. Should be uplifting themselves. Who's the enemy? Putting shots on the shelf. What we need is brain food and belly food for our health. So don't get caught up in a petty passion. Be careful of them guns and ammunition. And let us make a change in meditation. 'Cause we could use the strength for cultivation, my Lord. Beware for the shot of them strap. Rastaman I tell the youths them no. Rat-tat-tat. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them no care. And them we shot you in a you poop. Beware. Now the whole place hot. Rastaman I tell the youths them fell out the clock. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them no care. Oh, so much gun crime, man a shot, man a night time. Read your headlines, Lord, it really blows my mind. School children targeted in the broad daylight. Them a dead for cell phone. Also in a drive-by, police are dead. One a day, them shot the sheriff and a come for the deputy. Jeez, all the woman them no partial. What make them kill the old lady and the old man? No, beware for the shot of them strap. Rastaman I tell the youths them fell out the Glock. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them no care. And them we shot out you boo. Beware. Now the whole place hot. Rastaman I tell the youths them no. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them no care. And them we shot you in a you blood. Flood in the streets. Rude boys and police are compete. Better them turn to Rastafari. And all, woulda alright, yeah. Now here we go again. Not the man drop flat again. Go ahead and tell your friend the streets not safe again. While I'm searching for terrorists, youths them die for foolishness. So beware for the shot at them strap. Rastaman I tell the youths them fill out the Glock. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them no care. And them will shot you in a you poopy. Now the whole place man. Rastaman
do the damage. Whoa, why? Clean up the carnage. Clean up the carnage. Whoa, why? Who do the damage? Who do the damage? Whoa, clean up the carnage. Clean up the carnage. Whoa, why? Watch it make me make another speech again. Rocking it up on the reggae beat again. Hit the charts already, me we do it again. Cripple man stand up on your feet again. Me we put the bomb in the beast again. Me we turn the famine in a feast again. More people yamming in the street again. Rasta man a teach again. Who do the damage? Who do the damage? Whoa, why? Clean up the carnage. Clean up the carnage. Whoa, why? Who do the damage? Who do the damage? Whoa, clean up the carnage. Clean up the carnage. Whoa. Long time Rasta youth, they a street, they a tough it out. Now give me no shop, fi go keep me, we trust it out. Now give me no secret, fi keep me, we bust it out. Give me the broom, make me sweep and dust it out. Me no fear the screw face and chat him out. Me no pull when me lock, me no plot it out. Me no loose, me no plot, me no stacking out. We no backing out. Who do the damage? Who do the damage? Clean up the carnage. Clean up the carnage.
1991. This is the time when all tables will turn. Jah light the fire to let the whole place burn. Teach all the people so the children will learn. Manipulation of the system, only governments will earn. Jah knows, let's eradicate stress and poverty. King Rasta eliminate slavery. Let's start showing love to humanity. It's time to set the captives free. Jah is the way maker, the king of all kings. Jah is the crime buster, Babylon just can't win. Jah is the savior for all humanity, the master builder who would set all captives free. This is the time when all people come together, sharing Jah love with one another. Teach all the people that we must unite. No more gun violence, no wars and crime. Jah knows. So why is this fuss and poverty when King Rasta eliminates slavery? It's time to set the captives free. The people need justice and liberty. Jah is the way maker, the king of all kings. Jah is the crime buster, Babylon just can't win. Jah is the savior for all humanity, the master builder who has set all captives free. Jah knows. What a devilish curse and this is the upright truth. There's nothing worse than killing innocent youths. The killer is a coward, for he took his own life as well. Jah has no sympathy, so may he rot and burn in hell. He had no heart, and he had no soul. The agents of Lucifer had that over control. He had no heart, and he had no soul. The agents of Lucifer had that over control. Listen, the youths were taken away from friends and family. Now we can see them grow and see how strong they could be. But in the presence of Jah, the reward is very legit. While the killer will continue to burn in the fiery pit. He had no heart, and he had no soul. Say the agent of Lucifer had that over control. He had no heart, and he had no soul. Say the agents of Lucifer had that over control. Oh, fire on, fire on, fire, fire, happy on, fire on, fire on, fire, fire, happy on.
Because he give me life to live every day. Hey, Father up above, I give thanks and praise. You bless me with your love, guiding me along the way. Every day and every night, your light keeps shining brightest. Someone to look at me and say that I'm just a fool, but I'll get down on my knees and pray and give my thanks to you, creator of the heavens, the earth and seas. No matter how they tease, it's you I want to please, Lord. Heavenly Father, thanks and praise I give. Through the breath of life you have made me live. Let every creature, great and small, give glory to thy holy name. Eternally, time and time again. Once I was deceived, made to believe what is right was wrong. Then you showered blessing on me, and you changed me from weak to strong. Once I was blind, now I can see, and it's all thanks to thee. Before I didn't know if I'd make it through, but with you as my guide I will go where you lead me to, in the path of righteousness for thy name's sake. My God is real, Lord, make no mistake. Heavenly Father, thanks and praise I give. Through the breath of life you have made me live. Let every creature, great and small, give glory to thy holy name. Eternally, time and time again. I'm giving my thanks now, because he gave me life to live.
Lord, protect my people. Oh, my Lord. Oh, what a glory. Oh, what a glory it will be. Oh, what a glory.
Oh, what a glory.
When my Father I shall sing. Oh, what a glory it will be. When each man and earth be free. When we shall burn partiality, and we shall live in unity. And the love of the Lord shall be next to my soul. Oh yes, The night shall turn to day, and all the heathen shall run away. And all those workers of iniquity, I don't know where they shall stay, because the fire burning hotter every day. Hotter fire, hotter fire. The night shall turn to day, and the heathen shall run away. All those workers of iniquity, I don't know where they shall stay, because the fire burning hotter every day. Oh, what a glory! Oh, what a glory it will be! Oh, what a glory it will be when each man on earth be free, and we shall burn partiality, and we shall live in unity, and the love of the Lord shall be next to my soul. Oh yes, oh what a glory! Oh what a glorious day it will be! Oh what a glory it will be when we shall burn partiality.
Hey, shepherd, be careful, 'cause the wolves are still after you.
They're getting nervous with everything you do. Shepherd, be careful, 'cause the wolves are still after you.
And if you don't watch your step, they will surely devour you. 'Cause they don't wanna give it up.
Diamonds and pearls,
Don't wanna give it up.
silver and gold,
Don't wanna give it up.
trying to control.
The fact of the matter is, the financial beneficiaries have gotten fat from the wealth they stole, and they don't wanna lose control. So
Though they promise reform and justice, they only preach but they never practice. Though they claim to be solving the problem, make no move to even solve them. They don't wanna give it up.
oh no,
They don't wanna give it up.
Johannesburg,
Don't wanna give it up.
Pretoria,
Don't wanna give it up.
South Africa.
Don't wanna give it up. Hey, shepherd, be careful, 'cause the wolves are still after you. They're getting nervous with everything you do.
Shepherd, be careful, wolves and leopards are still after you. And if you don't watch your step, they will surely devour you. So pass the word to Reverend Tutu.
Be sure to tell Walter Sisulu,
Tell them to be ever careful.
or they'll end up like Stevie Cole, yeah.
They don't wanna give it up.
Diamonds and pearls,
Don't wanna give it up.
Johannesburg,
Don't wanna give it up.
Pretoria,
Don't wanna give it up.
South Africa,
Don't wanna give it up.
yeah.
It was God who created man, so don't get it wrong. Hey, God is greater than man, much greater
as if my people don't see all the signs right there. It's as if my people don't know that it's God they must fear. Still they're acting so unruly, they're acting so unkind. Still they're acting unlike truly, they don't care about mankind. I see plagues, I see floods, see rivers are run with blood. I see wars, falling stars, volcano was spew hot mud. Still they're acting so unruly, they're acting so unkind. Still they're acting unlike truly, they don't care about mankind. No, no. Ding-ding-ding-ding, boy. Ay, 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 ay. Whoa, yeah. Ding, boy. Prophecy revealing, and all of the signs are there. Can't hide, no concealing. Mankind, you better be real and stop acting so unruly. Stop acting so unkind. Stop acting all like truly. You don't care about mankind. No, but if my people could see all the signs right here. Yes, what if my people should know that this job they should fear and stop acting so unruly, stop acting so unkind, and stop acting all like truly, and start caring for mankind. Stop acting so unruly, stop acting so unkind. Start acting like you truly really care about mankind. I see plagues, I see floods, I see rivers that flow with blood. I see wars, falling stars, volcanoes that spew hot mud. Still they're acting so unruly, they're acting so unkind. They're acting all like truly, they don't care about mankind. Prophecy revealing, and all of the signs are there. Can't hide, no concealing. Mankind, you better be prepared and stop acting so unruly. Stop acting so unkind and start acting like you truly really care about mankind. Stop acting so unruly. Stop acting so unkind. Start acting like you truly really care about mankind. Stop acting so.
Hey, I said the world needs love, that's what the world needs. Peace and unity. Whoa, more love, no hatred, no grief. Peace and unity. Hey, you know, see the youths now on the meds. Pure dirty work them a do. And every day I say another youth dead. Watch them in the corner screw. Me want you show some love, and make this world a better place. Give me some love, give me some love. Me want to see some more smiling face. Because the world needs love, that's what the world needs. Peace and unity. Whoa, more love, no hate, no grief. Peace and unity, yeah. You know, see up your wonders and signs. We living in a desolate time. Why? Now is the time for us to combine. Hands are not together to dine. Me want see some peace, see some peace. Me want be have a contented mind, yeah. Some man from north, south, west and east, straight to the top we a climb. Cause we need more love, that's what the world need. Peace and unity. Whoa, more love, no hatred, no grief. Peace and unity. I say we need more love, that's what the world needs. Peace and unity. Whoa, more love, no hatred, no grief. and a one night true love. This a one year new love. So me a ask you a who love. Show some love, and make this world a better place. Me want you, give me some love. Me want see some more smiling face. Cause the world needs love, that's what the world needs. Peace and unity. Whoa, more love, it's no peace.
Don't say. Now for them only remember Jah when trouble packing up. Couldn't find the time to pray when them was stacking up. And now them comments every need a little tapping up. Every collect call cracking up. But Jah will never take you to what He can take you through. So all of it, shalom, salam. Ooh, yeah. Jah will never take you to what He can take you through. So all of it, shalom, salam. Yeah. Always stay above the influence, never be afraid to follow your conscience. Practice diligence and also persistence, cause you're twice defeated without confidence. Dark clouds won't last forever, but sometimes man's fate must be measured. Jah not always give you what you prefer, but it is always for the better. Jah will never take you to what He can take you through. So all of it, shalom, salam. Yeah. Jah will never take you to what He can take you through. So all of it, shalom, salam. One man now stop, rain no fall pan. The grass and greener on the other side that I can. One man now stop, rain no fall pan. But wisdom has taught us the power of a plan. No one feel hear you carelessly talking about the devil's tongue, following illusions and a dabble in a wrong. I earnestly plead out you bow in Babylon. Redemption awaits in Zion. Jah will never take you to what He can take you through. So all of it, shalom, salam. Yeah. Jah will never take you to what He can take you through. So all of it, shalom, salam. Yeah. No for them only remember Jah when trouble packing up. Couldn't find the time to pray when them was stacking up. Now them comments every need a little tapping up. And every call them make a leg seem to be cracking up. They had enough. And them same one that go on like them tough. Now them realize that this is rough. And them a run to the Creator. Jah will never take you to what He can take you through. So all of it, shalom, salam. Yeah. Jah will never take you to what He can take you through. So all of it, shalom, salam. Pick yourself up on the ground. Jah will never take you to love of Rastafari. Take you through. Never take you to. He can't take you through.
I know there's a place for each and every one. Look how hard we suffer down here on the rock. We just can't survive. We just wanna stay alive. I guess the rain doesn't fall for me and you. What can we do to make love come true? Drive the road of righteousness. Drive the road. I never know that a time would come when we be running up and down. You never know that a time would come when we can't settle down. Just be of good courage and understanding will work. Man, oh man, you got to unite. Together we are, and we have to be strong. So See my brothers and sisters, they need help. Do the best you can and you'll be better in life.
The bar them must have. Not today I dance when shoot out a one. Yet a him them comfort in a demand and a him them remand and send a tambourine farm. And left him hungry belly picnic them a yarn. Wrongly accused of something that he never did because of his background and the place he live. You judge a man by his appearance, that's so wicked. Free the prisoners from the captives and we them blame one another follow. Get a man and name them run the call out. And we are not agony, we still a ball out. Freedom must come from all bounds. We don't blame one another follow. Get a man and name them run the call out. And we are not agony, we still a ball out. Jogo did a juggle when Sharon get raped. Yet a him police a intimidate and all kick down in gate and all a interrogate. Let them show him in a very dark place. Wrongly accused, now the innocent pay the price. Edifice right and denounce prison life. Babylon make you so go like ice. You frame the youth like go, you free Christ. We get the blame when another follow. Get a man and name them run good color. And we in a agony, we still a baller. Freedom, she come from all bout. Hey, we name when another follow. We get the blame for we name them call out. And we in a agony, we still a baller. Freedom, on the evil perpetrators, yeah. Burn them now, left them feel later. The evil navigators, yeah. Burn them like the flipping paper. The evil perpetrator, yeah. Rasta bun the player hater. The last one is and reigns. Freedom and justice for all. We get the blame when another follow. Get a one and name them run the call out. Like we not gonna we still a ball out. Freedom must come from all bout. We get the blame when another follow. Get a man and name them run the call out. All on the agony we still a ball out. Freedom.
The Rastafari, they just always gonna fight you for no reason. But Jah guide and protect I through all season. People try all kind of things cause them just want fight. Them do all kind of things cause them just want fight. But I rise above all odds. Put good above all bad. Almighty above all gods. That's how I chant. Not just mankind, who and not Judas or Delilah. Not tell me about religion, that's a divider. Retribution, I go take some of them. So be careful of who you there beside her. Mankind are the greatest act. Them we come around with a great impact. Yeah, them only want gain here just because all them have been at them heart a loss. People try all kind of things cause them just want fight. Them do all kind of things cause them just want fight. But I rise above all odds. Put good above all bad. Almighty above all gods. That's how I chant. Yeah, me heart hurt but Jah know me no hungry. Tell them we solid like a rock ox or laundry. Long time we a tell them the truth. I do it absolute. Them a go like them no understand we. Them stick on your skin like lotion. Just a try fi abuse your emotion. But just a left them to time. Wicked mankind cause a knife or a knife go left every man blind. People try all kind of things cause them just want fight. Them do all kind of things cause them just want fight.
I know this word wanna
but
make
I
you
rise
feel smart, but you are larger than life anyway. Boom. No matter what the tribulations or the trials, don't worry, don't fret. No, in life you're gonna smile 1 million smiles for every tear you wept. Alright then, I know that it seems some days that the dream is so far away, yet the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the very first step. So get to walking, there's no skylarking. All heap of works to do. In this world of confusion, it's full of illusion. don't let it get to you. Just keep your eyes on the prize, be patient and be wise. I know that your reward is due. And when obstacles arise, they get shot down the size. You just a cut and go through. No matter what the tribulations or the trials, don't worry, don't fret. No, in life you're gonna smile 1 million smiles for every tear you've wept. Alright then, I know that it seems some days that the dream is so far away, yet the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the very first step. I know the system is set away, make you feel you're not destined to achieve. Just take the time to meditate and pray, and your blessings you'll receive. When negativity appears and brings doubt and fear, just remove that straight from your mind. From your intention is clear, you work hard and persevere. In a mountain you can climb, so me sing say, no matter what the tribulations or the trials, don't worry, don't fret. No, in life you're gonna smile 1 million smiles. Voice to the man, just song with a message for one and all. Now what's the trouble and strife? I know this world wanna make you feel small, but you are larger than life anyway. No matter what the tribulations or the trials, no, in life you're gonna smile 1 million smiles for every tear you wept. Alright then, I know that it seems some days that the dream is so far away, yet the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the very first step. So get to walking, there's no skylarking, all heap of works to do. In this world of confusion, it's full of illusion. Don't let it get to you. Just keep your eyes on the prize, be patient and be wise. I know that your reward is due. And when obstacles arise, they get shot down the size. You just a cut and go through. No matter what the tribulations or the trials, don't worry, don't fret. No, in life you're gonna smile 1 million smiles for every tear you wept. Alright then, I know that it seems sometimes
nobody trying to abuse it. Well, I do have to choose it, because put back dancer, which part it a come from? Ram it up a woman, every woman have a man. Music up, you wanna feel rock to the song. I throw away those guns and those banjo jam. Put back dancer, which part it a come from? Ram it up a woman, every woman have a man. Music up, you wanna feel rock to the song. I throw away those guns and those banjo jam. But remember Ray Charles, we play the mouth organ. But remember Prince Buster and Eric Morgan. Music was so nice, 1971. No fuss, no fight and dance all used to ram. First time music I really did joy. Me take time to pick up some music Mykey. We used to run the place and me was a little boy. Where the town and tell the people Daddy you right. Some say them a DJ and me tell them PCs. No have no taste, them a rice without peas. Music be nice like the honey from the bees. I wanna go to the grill, General Trees. Put back dancer, which part it a come from? Ram it up a woman, every woman have a man. Music up, you gonna be rock to the song. I throw away those guns and those banjo jam. Put back dancer, which part it a come from? Ram it up a woman, every woman have a man. Music up, you gonna be rock to the song. I throw away those guns and those banjo jam. Remember when me used to go a dance first time? Me in a jacket suit and me big boot we shine. As me go a dance, find a girl Fiyah la wine. No fuss, no fight, cause we no have no crime. Now me go a dance and me can't even move. Cause if me step on a man clock shoes, beg him sorry or ask him excuse. I lucky mood, I lucky if him don't blow me fuse. Cause if him too hard stand up over there, say him a the big man so him no really care. Step on the man clock shoes where him a wear. Boom, you couldn't get Heineken beer. Put bad dancer, which part it a come from? Ram it up a woman, every woman have a man. Music up, you wanna feel rock to the song. I throw away those guns and those banjo jam. Put bad dancer, which part it a come from?
What am I gonna singer? Hey, hey, put on the guns a second and let them go. Hey, use a knife and refuse and dash them away. Some of these walk from Sunday to Saturday. Well, let's get them, hey,
frustrated. Every day me wake another one dead. She know me tired, me not take it. Too much war, time wasted. So ease up. Tonight me I want to see no trigger finger squeeze up. Man grab a woman, everything we seal up. Hey, dance if you want to. Truck back party and black style use a team up. Select a tune your body, it takes so long to wheel up. Dance on. It's like we steam up. Hey, turn up the sound. I rub a dub party. Hey, you know what long time me don't feel so nice and it's about time. We go a whole of vibes. Drum and bass a roll. Hold your love a tight. Cause when we a party a straight till daylight. But that a one time that not go on again. And just for lack of the dance. Nowadays are the trend. You a class vibes. Them well sensitive. And I know something really intend to live. Me I tell them ease up. Tonight me I want to see no trigger finger squeeze up. Roots I sip and greens I steam up. Hey, put the war vibes aside. At least for one night make we see the enemy them team up. Dance off your shoes, wet up your t-shirt. Laugh and until you eat up. Hey, select a turn up the sound. I rub a dub party. You work hard till the weekend. I know you want a whole different feeling. Hey, send a request and put your glass to the ceiling. They got the stress and take the musical healing. Watch all the nice and decent people, them a love up, while them a rub up, the speaker burn up. Whoa, you know see the vibes turn up. Me nah leave until the sun come up. So ease up. Tonight man I want to see no trigger finger squeeze up. Man all a woman everything we seal up. Hey, dance all you want to. Struck back party and black style use a team up. Hey yo, that tune your body, it takes so long to wheel up. Dance all, it's like we steam up. Hey, turn up the sound, I rub a dub party. Hey, we on the guns a second and let them win. Hey, use a knife to peel fruits or dash them away. Some a preach war from Sunday to Saturday. Well I said them that they change your liberty. Hey, me tired, me frustrated. Every day me wake another one dead. She know me tired, me not take it. Too much war, time wasted. So ease up. Tonight man I want to see no trigger finger squeeze up. Man grab a woman, everything we seal up. Hey, dance if you want to. Truck back party and black style use a team up. Select a tune your body, it takes so long to wheel up. Dance all, it's like we steam up. Hey, turn up the sound, I rub a dub party. Hey, you know what long time me don't feel so nice and it's about time. We go a whole of vibes. Drum and bass a roll. Hold your love a tight. Cause when we a party a straight till daylight.